Irie, Messmas. Listen, about white man, but I know my history. You see this real thing, yo, it's a mockery. Go check it out and see the history about Jesus Christ and the family. Anyway, yo, the Xmas, you have to put an X on that. Go and do the history for yourself. Cause Pilski, what we're saying, I'm not in a bag of chat. Every man know them history. Listen. Every man must know in history. I'll give you a little something. I know Jesus Christ was born on the 1st of April and not on the 25th of December. This is DJ Pilski, teach you the real history. What we're saying, listen, like a true Rasta, big up the Rasta man. What we're saying, straight out of Jamaica. The Rasta man, what we're saying, straight out of Africa. The Rasta man, anyway, right across the border. I know that history now, me taking over, learn your history. No jingle bells, I learn your history. The only tree I'm smoking on Christmas is the ganja tree. Learn your history. Jesus Christ was born on the 1st of April, believe me, I learn your history. You're lying, I think I'm done, them have to go and learn. So, when I tell you Christmas, remember Christmas is not Christmas. In my heart I know say it's not Christmas. In your heart you know say it's not Christmas. So let's not live in a bubble and system and teach the youth them the right thing, yeah? About Irie New Year.
Up there.
The other Xmas. Xmas.
Up to 2K19. 2K19.
Big up the two fat girl them that are dance tonight, yeah? I make a 88 to 2018. Over straight. 2019. And we hear this.
2K.
Make sure you check us out. Glamour Black Street Force. Up the.
Lion that record. Na.